Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the part 2 of the poem Father to Son. As I have told you that in this poem we have given a very beautiful relationship between father and the son. But prior into two of the para or stanza, I have explained you that what father's expectation towards the son. Okay, that he cannot fulfill from his son. He wanted to get many things from the son: love, respect, okay, nurture, all the things he wants. But father didn't get that thing from son. As the son is having his own world, he don't want to accept his father, even as well as he don't want to talk to his father. So at that time, father has also informed like what kind of son he was having. So into the third paragraph here we are having the explanation of the son, कि how he was, कैसा है वो. So father, silence surrounds us. Obviously they both are not talking to each other. So obviously when they both together into the same house, they both felt that silence surrounds themselves, as they both are not talking to each other. So obviously silence should be there. I would have him prodigal. Prodigal means he is, I can say that, spend a lot of money, whatever the thing it is needed or not needed. जो ज़रूरत है या नहीं है, फिजूल के खर्च बहुत करता था. So he was prodigal, but still father wanted to accept him as he is his son. जैसे कि वो उसका बेटा है. Whoever he is, he wanted to accept his son in any of the way or any of the cost. So returning to his father's house, the home he knew, the father wanted to get back his son to his original house. Since childhood he was living with parents. अपने father के पास उसे जाना चाहिए. This is the wish of his father. ये उसके father की wish थी. As he wanted to live with his son, as he wanted to share many of the things to his son. So that's why he just said that he will have to return home, whatever the home knowing by him. That was father's house. Rather than see him make and move his world. As I have told you, the son having his own world. He don't want to mixed up with the father. He don't want to intimate anything to the father. He just want to separate from the father. He wanted to do his own thing in his own life. He was having his own world. In that world, father is not having any place. Okay. So he is having his own world. And he don't want to see his father over there in that world. I would forgive him too. Obviously, father wanted to forgive his son, whatever the mistake he has done, whatever the wrong thing he has done, but father wanted to accept his son in any of the way, shaping from sorrow a new love. Obviously, the father has got sorrow from the son. He was literally getting hurt from the son, but somewhere he also loved his son also. That's why he converted the sorrow into love towards his son. So he wanted to get back his son. Next, last paragraph, in which father has told that father and son, we both must live on the same globe and the same land. They both are living on the same globe. Obviously, we all are living on to the same globe. Father has such kind of expectation where she can expect from his son only. So they both were living onto the same globe, onto the same place, in the same house, okay, under the same ceiling, but still something is missing. That is conversation, that is dialogues, that is feelings, okay, that he wanted to get from his son, but he didn't get that. So the father said that father and son, the name itself shows the beautiful relationship, okay. And here the son dealt with his own world. He don't want to take any kind of thing or any kind of, I can say that the thoughts he cannot share with the father. वो अपने father के साथ कुछ share ही नहीं कर सकता. Why? The son is like this. I don't know in this poem. Even the father get confused. why my son is like this. I haven't nurtured him like this. मैंने तो उसको ऐसी परवरिश नहीं दी है. Then why he is behaving like this? Even the father got hurt through the son. So he speaks, means father speaks that I cannot understand myself. Father cannot even understand himself that what the mistake he has done. It was really a bigger mistake that the son has been like this. Son has pretending like this, or son is actually doing this thing. क्या वो दिखावा कर रहा है या वो सच में ही ऐसा है? And why anger grows from grief? Grief means sadness. Grief means sadness. So why father has got anger? Just because each and everyone we are not having, if suppose we are not having mood or we are getting hurt by someone, so on that day we literally get anger and we are angry on each and everyone just because we are not having mood. So likewise the father has ruined his life. Father has spent whole life for the son, but now son is getting younger and he don't want to accept his father. So what will suffer by the father? He will suffer many things. He is also feel pain. This is the biggest pain into the world when your children are not talking to you. As the son or the daughter is, I can say that your whole life. So obviously the son is father's whole life, but he don't want to enter father in his life. Son उसकी life में उसको enter ही नहीं होने देते. We each put out an empty hand. Both are having empty hand. Okay, and longing for something to forgive. They both just have to raise, or they both have to just spread their hands to forgive each other. Obviously, father has already forgiven. Already, father has forgiven the child, means the son. But let us see the son, whether he has accepted his father or not. Whether he has given forgiveness to the father or not, where the father just waiting for the son to come back home. Okay, as the son is already having his own world, so that son wants that back his world, and son wanted to take his own decisions. He don't want to interrupt. Means he don't want to get any kind of interrupt from the parent or from the father. So he was like alone, like he was alone and he don't want to accept anyone. वो किसी को accept ही नहीं करना चाहता उसकी life में. He just enjoyed his life. The father wants many things from the son, as I have told you priorly. So here we have given that how the son was, and into the same next paragraph, father wanted to forgive his son. Father wanted to forgive his son. But whether the son forgive father or not. Okay. So the thing here, father suffered from the son. And father literally got pain. उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा pain हो रहा है. Because having no life now. Just because his son is not with him. उसका बेटा ही उसके साथ नहीं है. So he was just getting pain that how I have nurtured this boy and something is left into my nurture. परवरिश में कोई कमी रह गई होगी. That's why the son is like this, and that's why he is not accepting us. So into the same house, both are living together, but still they are not talking to each other. This is the thing the father cannot understand, and father even cannot tolerate this. He just was getting pain, too much pain he was getting from the son. So that's why in the father to son poem, we have given the universal appeal. This is not only for one father. This poem is for all the fathers, okay, who suffering from this situation or who is having the same situation, whatever we are giving into the poem. Okay, so this is the concept we have given. The PDF I will send you soon. So you just have to refer the concept and you will have to write introduction also about the father and the son, father to son, the later or the thinking he has shared to each and everyone who is reading the poem. So I hope you can understand the poem Father to Son. I have divided this poem into two parts. Okay, very nicely, line to line, word to word I have explained you the relationship between father and son. Okay, that we have given into this poem. So now again you will have to refer the whole poem. And yes students, if you are having any of the doubts in this poem, you can definitely share your questions to me and I will try my best to give you the suitable answer to you. A satisfied answer I will give you. So this is the poem you will have to refer, okay? And whatever the PDF I am going to send you, that you will have to write into your notebook. Is that clear everyone? So now whatever the queries you are having, you can ask me into the next live session. Okay, thank you.